thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up a brand new subscription to our channel. I think it might be a pretty new subscription in general, but it is called Hope and Hive. And it came in this little box here. To be honest, I can't remember what month I'm opening. I am behind on boxes. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you may have seen a picture of all of them. So I'm guessing this is probably the January box since we are just in the first few days of February while I'm filming this. But anyways, let me tell you a little bit about Hope and Hive. So it is a natural lip balm subscription. You get 4 lip balms and 1 lip balm keychain every other month. So this is a bi-monthly subscription, and every time one of these comes up, I rave about them because I think bi-monthly is great. You save a little bit of money, and you have some time to use your products. So this is available on Cratejoy, Hope and Hive. So I have their page pulled up here. So their plans start at $12.49 every other month, remember, so you're not charged that monthly. It is free shipping in the US. You can get it worldwide, but there will be a shipping fee depending on which country you live in if it's outside the US. So on their website it says receive 4 wonderfully hydrating all-natural Hope and Hive brand lip balms with a lip balm keychain delivered to your door every other month. Our formula is filled with luxuriously hydrating oils for a smooth application that lasts much longer than your usual drugstore balm. 1 lip balm will be donated to a worthy cause for every box sold. I think that part is just so great. So you'll get full-size lip balms every time with all-natural hydrating argan oil formula. And again, there's going to be a lip balm donated to someone in need every time someone purchases a box. So yeah, let's get this open and see what it's all about. And of course, I'm going to link them down below if you want to subscribe or check out the website a little bit more. Okay, I was struggling to get the box open. I realized I was trying to lift it up the wrong direction. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. There is a card right on top. My hair is kind of bothering me. Let me get it on my face. But it says, thank you. Your natural lip balm order helps bring hope to those who need it the most. Our mission for hope: for every 4 lip balms sold, 1 is donated with a custom encouraging label to a worthy cause to spread hope. Nice. And then it just says their social media handles and stuff there. And then inside, this is what it looks like. Oh, I'm excited to see. So this probably actually is the February box because the lip holder looks like this. It has pretty hearts all over it. How cute is this? Oh my gosh. Have you guys ever used one of these lip balm chains? They're actually really convenient, especially for us women that wear purses, or us people who wear purses. I know there's nurses out there. Whoever wears a purse is what I mean. But you know, things can get lost in your bag, especially like a little lip balm. So you can just like clip this to the top so your lip balm is always right there. I don't know about you, but if I even hear the word lip balm, I need to apply some. Like, I just put some stuff on right before filming. But how about we start with lip balm that is inside this. So yeah, they just conveniently sit inside there. I think this one is so cute, and I love that it fits the season. So inside, we have the Hope and Hive Strawberry Natural Lip Balm. And it says the ingredients on here. So it's almond oil, beeswax, sunflower oil, natural flavors, vitamin E, and argan oil. It's all natural. I think their labeling is really cute. And then we have one that's called Minty. And it looks like they all are pretty much made with similar ingredients besides what's making them fragrant. So this one has some peppermint oil in it. I like having mint flavored like lip products because I feel like that can kind of help make it seem like you have fresh breath, maybe in cases you don't and you don't have any mints around. Is that weird? The next one, ooh, is Lavender Honey. I'm thinking I don't want to open all of them at once. I have lip balm like seriously all over my house, but I do go through them. But I'll probably throw at least one of these into a giveaway in the future because I know everyone enjoys lip balm, so that would be a nice little touch. And this one, the last one in here, the 4th lip balm, is French Vanilla. I love how they list all the ingredients just right on there, and it's a very short list. And I love that it's sent in a small box. That is super great. As someone who gets a bunch of boxes, sometimes you'll get just like this much stuff in a full-size box, so I appreciate their packaging. So that is everything that came in the box. So you have your cute little lip balm holder and then 4 different lip balms in different scents. I think it's so cool they're all different. So we have strawberry, minty, lavender honey, and French vanilla. I'm thinking I might put the lavender honey lip balm near my bedstand. Right now I have like a watermelon one on there, and lavender scents I just love to like have around bedtime. Like I spray my linens and everything. So let's open up this one. I'll put this in my bedroom. I think it smells a little bit more like honey than lavender, but still smells really good. And then I think the next one I'm the most interested in is strawberry. I love strawberry scents, so let's smell that. And these all are safety sealed, by the way. I don't know if you could tell. I'm not even sure if anything's focusing now that I'm looking, but they're lip balms. You know, the labels all pretty much look the same. And I read the ingredients too, so. I like this, awesome. So these 2 I'm gonna start using right away. But yeah, now I have 4 lip balms and 'tis the season for lip balm. Well, I think all the time is, but I've heard lip balm application is an actual addiction, which I think maybe is true, but like who wants dry lips? So yeah, if you are in the market for some lip balms, I think you should definitely check these out. I'll put one on, just here, I'll swatch it a little bit. I've tried their formula before. Yeah, it feels nice, non-greasy. And I can smell the strawberry when I put it on, so yep. So yeah, all of the information and the link will be down below. You guys have to let me know, are you also like lip balm addicts? Cause I totally am in that club. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this new subscription with me. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.